So, hello, my name is Anish Arulthas, and I am a third year Edinburgh Napier music student. And yeah, how long have I been playing for? I've been playing since fourth year of high school, so that's been 6, 7 years. It's not long, but yeah, I'm getting through it. What bands I play for? I've got a wedding gig band in Glasgow, and I play sometimes in a few bands here. But yeah, I mostly do like music charity work and stuff like that. That's my main thing. And yeah, what cards and sticks I've got today is I have got, if you can see there, I've got the 5 A's. That's what I am comfortable with how I play. 3 things I like about Collision is that they are a lovely company. The people there that you meet are very nice and friendly, so it's a wonderful experience. And I like them because they support a lot of drummers from around the world. I've seen the clips of different drummers, and on their page you can see different artists and also what sticks they use, and you know, it's a lovely thing that they're doing and supporting these drummers and supporting me. So thank you very much for the opportunity there. And yeah, what am I gonna play? So I'm gonna play you a little piece. It's a 6/8 Afro-Cuban piece. It's very short, but this piece is very special to me because I played it back in high school, and I always look back from where I was to where I am now. So yeah, without further ado, I will get started on that.
Number 42, Afro-Cuban. 2 bars time, 4 bar count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2.
Thank you very much.